It's only 8 o'clock. They're all acting like they're ravenous. I'm only 2 hours late. Y'all are gonna have to get used to summer hours. It's now summer hours time. They're all doing good. With the storm system that moved through the area yesterday, our high today is 81, and I can definitely tell that it's lower humidity and more refreshing out here this morning. It's just a hint of chill in the air. I'll take it. So we didn't end up going for a walk this morning. Dawn had a work emergency, and then I got busy up here. I found my high school yearbooks and my high school diploma, and my college diploma that Dad had for me is in this box. It's going on 2:30, and I've got to stop because it's too hot up here for me now. I'm sure it's near 100. Best memory found today was these Thomas the Tank Engine, also JJ the jet plane, and maybe a couple other things. Laminated sales brochures. The boys used to study these in the back of the car for the van specifically for hours, dreaming about which engine they wanted to get the next time they went, picking it out. I've got several of them still, and I've got the engines to prove it too, the trains. So Johnny and I are going to take the van to Guardian Angel and get it unloaded. That's all trash from the attic over there to put in the van after I get back. Don and I are going to go to the landfill tomorrow before he goes to Florida. I'm looking to see if my boy is over here on his chair, but he's not right now. Oh, it's full in here. It's very full. All right, wish me and Johnny luck in getting it all up there. It wasn't too bad unloading everything. They're not busy this afternoon at all. That's like the least cars I've seen in the parking lot, well, basically ever. I'm just gonna look for Legos. A little 5-minute run in, run out. Wish me luck on that too. It's always such a novel concept, turning off the engine and taking the keys. We're gonna squeeze in our walk here. It's just after 5, but I have time to walk before I gotta take Johnny to Taekwondo. So I left the van out for Don to put up because he's got to put the battery minder back on, and I would have loaded up the trash from the attic over there, but I don't know exactly how he wants it to go. I'm out here, but I just want you to know that I got 6,000 steps already.
Woo-hoo. So that means all we need to do is just walk and come right back. We don't have to do laps.
Don was very helpful today. He came up several times and made 2 or 3 trips down with stuff. So I actually didn't do hardly any steps today. But that didn't mean I wasn't working out up there though.
Flights. She didn't do very many flights. Steps.
Yeah. Don was very helpful in keeping the passageway clear so I could move stuff around, and yeah.
My girl productive.
So I've got a third of the attic that I intend to mess with, maybe sorted, maybe a third.
Oh, there she is. This is the girl, the little workaholic girl.
Yeah, Johnny was like, Mom, why did you work that hard today? And I'm like, because I'm a goal-driven, oriented person. It's just how I roll when I decide I'm going to do something. I was going to start this when the guys left Friday. But it's supposed to be 90 Friday and Saturday, and Michelle and I are going out Friday, and I was working the project in my head. I couldn't keep it up there anymore. I had to actually,
commit to it.
Get going on it, start implementing these ideas that I had. The churn up there in the head was on overdrive. So anyway, up this walk up the hill to South Park. Let's just say I'm not as fast as I am sometimes today.
Well, it is a beautiful day to work in the attic or not otherwise.
Yeah, in the shade it feels really great. There's a breeze and the temperature's right, and
low humidity.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm enjoying being out here with my pretty girl.
Oh, yeah, he's glad to leave his office today. I think he wanted to come hide up in the attic with me, and that says a lot about how his day was going.
Yeah, well, c'est la vie.
Sometimes you find trash, and sometimes you find baseballs.
I'm not going to throw it overhand because it'll kill my shoulder.
Yeah, that's Don's arm that give him trouble. from having a bicycle accident. Yeah, not cold turkey. So it's primary day here. You know, Don and I early voted a week or so ago.
Hey, I got my voted sticker on.
Yeah, somebody dropped theirs on the ground, so Don picked it up, put it on. Well, you did vote. You're legal. It's a girls' softball game here tonight. They are warming up. Well, that's the second red Model 3 we've seen at the polling place. The other one just left, and then this one pulled up. There's also a leaf here. If that gives you any indication who's out to vote today. There's actually two leaves, the blue and the red. This is our third lap. We get to exit this time. We've done our bid picking up trash today. I swear we picked up before they mowed on Monday, yesterday, but there was all a bunch of little stuff that got shredded up in the grass today anyway. There's one of the trail bunnies. Hi, Mr. Bunny. You're a big fella. Maybe into the woods instead of just along the trail beside me if you're really trying to get away from the predator. I ain't after you, poor guy. Really not after you. Here, I'll move over here.
That big green thing, Mom. That Mr. Don.
Well, usually they cut into the brush and are...
Fried rabbit.
Oh, Donnie. I'm not going to mess with you. There you go. Alright, Ruby's all charged up, but we're only going to Taekwondo. Oh, hi Ruby, I did miss you today. Just had an Ioniq pass us. It was a grayish color. It has a pretty distinctive front grille as well as rear tail lights, so it's not too hard to pick out, but that's the fourth one I've seen now. I've seen red, white, mustard color, and gray all in the last 10 to 14 days, something like that. So I suspect they're going to report pretty good sales for second quarter. Alright, I'll be back in 45 minutes. I'm headed over to Walmart. Of course, I actually need to pick up a few things for the guys for their trip. I'm not allowed to turn on red to go up to that part. It's very clear about it up there, which I think is sort of not necessary, but it's a shame they're having staffing problems keeping them from having the garden center open on any kind of a regular basis. Missing out on some business. You can pay for dirt and stuff at a regular register and then come load up, but it's not quite the same. Wow, I want to see Dog, Moonfall, maybe Ghostbusters. I'm too tired tonight though. Some of the stuff out here hasn't been watered properly. It's kind of sad, but these are pretty. There's a Hummer EV out now, but I haven't seen it. A friend picked up a couple. I need to replenish my stock. I'm a few minutes late to pick up Johnny, but they have another class after his class, so there's still lots of people at the Dojang. I had a security box around allergy medicine, and the girl at the self-checkout couldn't get it open, so she sent me to customer service, and of course there was a line at customer service. Finally someone was able to assist me, so that as Don says, there's another 5 or 10 minutes of my life I'll never get back.